air, and there's a mysterious gust of iridescent breeze. Never seen the sky so starry, I can see the world so clearly. Didn't think that I'd uncover another world that's undiscovered. Now you've wandered into this place, realize it's my secret space.
Wow! Yeah. Woohoo! Parakeets, I love! Woohoo! Where are you going, Jess? Yeah, so Jess is having a great time watching all these parakeets. Look at that. They're everywhere, guys. Check it out. Wow. Huh? Where'd they go, honey? Where'd they go? Holy moly.
Oh my god, it's colorful.
A whole bunch of them everywhere, Jess. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, a lot of them right there, Jess. Huh? Woo, they're gonna make doodle on you, Jess. Look at that. No doodle. I know, look at that. Woo. Oh, it's gonna make so much noise, Jess.
I don't care.
What? Wow. Look at that.
Baby.
Huh?
Yeah, but be really good with them.
Oh.
Picking a red. They're all color green.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, nice color. It's like color this tree.
Yeah, yeah.
And then they always have boom.
Oh, you got it. That's a lot.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. Oh my god, guys. I don't know what to say, Jess. There's just a whole bunch of them.
I touch baby ones.
Jess wants one as a pet. Soloyo, Jess. It's not Soloyo.
No, it's not saluyo. I don't know the crap.
Oh yeah?
Oh, gardenia.
Gardenia. Wow, that's a big one, Jess. Huh? Yay.
Oh, different smell too.
Different smell?
Yeah.
Woo. Yeah, nice. Very nice.
Oh, it smells good.
Wow.
Oh, how to get in?
I know. They're lucky.
I'll go get in.
I don't know. How to get in, Jess?
I don't know.
I know.
Maybe that's a caretaker.
Maybe. Maybe.
I got nice gardenia.
Yeah, nice, Jess.
And then
flower.
they got a little one. I don't know. It
Oh, I
smells
can
like a
smell that.
what you call this?
I can smell it from here. It smells good.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah.
Now I smell gardenia.
Wait, careful. Wow.
We can get in because they never are close. Hurry up, guys. Hurry up.
All right. Guess we gotta go work out.
Oh yeah, what time is it already? I have to go stretching.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa. What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here, along with Jess in the back, way back there. Oh, did I touch something here? Way back there. I don't know, you probably can't even see her. But check out the weather again, guys. It is such a gloomy day once again here in paradise. But you know what? I wanted to fly my drone for the past week. You know what? Rain or shine, the drone is going up, guys. It is going up. So we're gonna go over to this place called Monuments. You know, it's you probably seen it in one of my old videos, but it is a good place to fly a drone because, you know, not too many people around, not too many trees, and you know, it's just farmland all around. So that's where we're heading to right now, guys, and you are coming along, guys. Check it out. Check out King Kong right over there, guys. Man, look at the skies. It's about 6:18 right now. Yeah, this place actually is a good place to go jogging or walking, you know, to inhale the nice fresh air. Yeah. Oh wait, my hand's getting sore. Oh wait, trying to drive here. Hold on, guys. What's up, guys? Ooh, kind of dark. Just finished work, as always. Hope you guys are having a great day wherever you guys are in your neck of the woods. Trying to get the drone up before it gets dark. I don't think we'll get a nice sky show today because of these clouds. You never know. You never know. Maybe the sunset rays will just pierce through these thick clouds, making another nice show up there in the skies. But yeah, I like coming over here once in a while. It's actually a nice place to just relax and you know, pull over and read a book or do your homework. You know, one time actually I seen my cousin over here, not photographer, but my cousin Mark. He was actually oh wait, maybe I should fly it over here. A little reservoir over here, guys. But the cows are out in force. Look at that. But yeah, I see my cousin Mark one time parked to the side here. He was reading one of his college books. Look at all the cows. Look at that. Hey cows, what's going on? Hey, move. Move. Look at that. Hey, what's up? What's up? Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see the skid marks on the ground here, but you know, some people race around this area. Don't condone that, but you know, looks like they do. Wow, beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful farmland. Woo. Okay. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Yeah. I got Friday and Saturday off this week, so I don't know. Oh yeah, my good friend Kevin again. You guys know Kevin from Las Vegas. He's back down again here, so gotta make trouble to him. Get him in some of these videos once again. He's the tattoo artist. Yeah, he comes down here once in a while. Oh, not once in a while. He always comes down. Yay! Where's the bulls? Where's the bulls? Ah, cool. Beautiful. People just hanging out. Alright. We are here. Alright. Just gotta find parking now. Yeah, right here. Monuments. So we're just gonna turn around. Alright, this is the entrance to the Kauai Ranch. Beautiful. Look at that opening. Beautiful. Look at it. Oh man. Alright. Okay. Alright guys, let's get the drone up. Alright guys, let me get the drone up before it gets too dark. What, Jess? I cannot hear you. What? You gotta change. Go change. Oh, you know how to change your stuff? No? Alright. Let's get the drone up, guys, before it gets too dark. This is gonna change. Oh. Alright, I got the Phantom 3, guys, standard. I want to get the Mavic Pro Air with all those sensors all around, so it won't, you know, it won't crash into trees and whatnot. That is totally awesome. But, you know, I would put the follow me mode on and just run through forests and see if it can keep up. That'd be totally cool, guys. Alright. Okay. Let's see. Rocket Man! Yeah! Alright. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Oh! Oh! Alright, guys. I'm gonna fly the drone. You guys are coming along. Let's go. Oh, the parrots. Got a whole bunch of parrots over there. Check it out. Oh, parrots, where are you going? Look at that. Parakeets. Parakeets, guys. Parakeets galore. They're going off. Alright guys, so that was fun flying the drone and getting surrounded by parakeets. So I hope you guys liked it. So now we're gonna go over to the gym. Gonna work out. Alright. Catch you guys later. Peace.